Guys, I'm your host Rujihan and welcome to my channel in CrowdBiz. Today we will learn how to give slice effect to your object. I will go to create as design and I will choose YouTube thumbnail. Now you can upload the image whatever you want or object you can select from the Canva. I will go to the elements. I will write here apple. Mm, I will choose this one. Now I will duplicate it. Now I will cut this image with the slider like this. Now I will drag this image here and cut the image from uh, here. I will search an image which shows the color from the inside of an apple, so I will bring it here. Now I will go to the edit photos and I will go to the elements and I will type here circle. This is the circle. I will change the color of the circle. I will bring it here. You can adjust the image accordingly. The size of the circle you can adjust. Like this. Now I will duplicate the circle again and bring it here. Now I will change the color. Now there are the colors that is shown in the picture. I will select this one and I will change the other circle. Now I will go to elements and write here shadows. I will choose this one and now I want to change the color of the shadow. I will do the size smaller of the circle, duplicate it again, I want to change the color. I will go to edit photos and here are some options. Dew tone, I will go to the dew tone. I want the colors like an apple shade, also I will choose this one. This is really looking good. Now I will choose this again and change the color. The transparency is so this is how you can adjust the size of the circle and the apple, so it's look perfect like this. Now you can move little bit. Now you can move the circle. I will make it bigger more. Now I will delete this image from here and I will group this like this and bring it here. Now I will go to the share button and go to download. So this is how you can create slice effect. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss my latest video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.